Okay guys, today I'm going to show you a new Pinterest feature that you can use to make money online. And you can also use it to make money with affiliate marketing, with print on demand, to make money with Etsa, and so on and so on. And I never shared this before, so make sure to watch this video very carefully because I'm going to give you some tips and advices. So make sure to watch this video very carefully. So with that being said, let's start. Okay, so first thing you need to do, you need to go on Pinterest Trends. Now, Pinterest Trends is 100% free tool. You don't even need to be logged into your Pinterest account. And Pinterest Trends will show you current trends on Pinterest. But problem is, Pinterest Trends is available only in United States, United Kingdom, and Canada. Now, the way I overcome this problem is I actually installed VPN and I'm using a VPN. As you can see, I'm currently using VPN, and that is exactly the same thing that you need to do. Just use a VPN and show your address as US, UK or Canada. Now when you scroll here you can see top trends on Pinterest in last 7 days. As you can see, top trend is nails, and then dinner ideas, dinner recipes, and when you click here, you can see even more top trends. And when you scroll here you can see top trending categories: fashion, food and drinks, beauty, home decor, and travel. Now, in my previous video, I showed you that travel is a big niche currently, and as you can see, it is a big niche and it is a hot niche, trending niche on Pinterest as well. So pay close attention on this niche. So what you can do is also, you can scroll back here and you can search for different trends on Pinterest and you can test those trends. So for example, let's just say I wish to check out patterns, for example. So let me just search for patterns, and as you can see here, patterns. And when I click here, okay, here you can see in March this year, patterns was a huge trend. It was 100, which means maximum trend. But here you can see it's a medium trend right now, which is actually a good thing, which means this is a stable trend. People have a stable interest in this trend, in this niche, and that means this is a evergreen niche. And when you scroll here you can see more pattern. Here you can see more pattern sub niches: cool patterns, colorful patterns, cute patterns, print patterns, trending patterns. And when you click here you can see even more, and here you can see top trending patterns, and you can check out these patterns. So let's just click on one of these, for example this one here, and here you can see these patterns. As you can see, these are all really interesting patterns that you can use as an inspiration, as an idea for your own pattern, and you can use that to make your own patterns. And some of you probably thinking right now, well, I'm not good with Photoshop, I'm not graphic designer. Don't worry, what you can do is you can simply go on websites like Pixabay in this case, and here you can search for patterns, okay? Patterns, and then click here, and then what you need to do, you need to click here on vector graphics, and here you can see there is lots and lots of royalty-free pattern related images that you can use. So for example, just go back here on the top, and let's say this image here, this pattern here. When I click here, I will actually see a really important information. Here you can see free for commercial use, no attribution required, which means we can actually use this pattern, this image here, to make money. Okay, that is really important. And this is actually a flower related pattern. So let me just go back here on Pinterest, and when I search here for flower patterns, okay, flower, and here you can see flower patterns, template, drawing, aesthetic, wallpaper design, painting, and so on, which means this is actually something that people are searching on Pinterest, and that means that we can actually make money with this sub niche. So let me just copy this, and I will check this on Pinterest Trends to see is this actually a trend. So I will paste it here and click, and here you can see, yes, this is a trend. Here you can see there is lots of flower pattern related trends. So let me just check this first one here, and here you can see again, in March this year, this was a huge trend, and now is average, but it is growing slowly, as you can see here. and here you can see related searches, related trends, and here you can see related flower related patterns on Pinterest. When I click here, I can see top flower related patterns on Pinterest. Here you can see all the images, and you can use this again as an inspiration for your own design. As you can see here, this is actually a really good pattern, and you can use it because free for commercial use. You can use it in your own image. So what you need to do, you need to click here on free download, and you need to choose your dimensions, and then click here on download and download this image, this pattern on your desktop. And next thing you need to do, you need to edit this image a bit. If you can do that in Photoshop, great. But if you don't have Photoshop, you can use Canva. Now we saw that flower pattern wallpaper is a trend. It is a hot topic. So I choose here 4000 by 4000 pixels dimensions of this template here. And what you need to do, you need to simply upload this image that you downloaded from Pixabay. You need to upload it on Canva, and then you simply need to add that image here. And as you can see, this is not the right dimension. So what you can do is you can simply click here to duplicate, and then you can move it here, okay? Just like this, okay? And then again, you can duplicate and again just move it here, okay? And you can even make this larger, just like this, okay? And you made a big wallpaper from this pattern. And another thing that you can do is you can actually combine different flowers, different images, and make something interesting. All you have to do is just go back on Pixabay, click here, and then find more flower related patterns. For example, you can use this one as well, and just go back here and add different images, like I said, just to make something interesting. Now, after you finish everything, all you have to do is just click here on share, and then click here on download, and download this on your desktop. Now, this is important. Now, what I would suggest to actually make 10, 20, 50 of these patterns and actually make a bundle of your patterns. And in a minute, you will see why. So now when you have your pattern bundle, next thing you need to do, you need to start making money with it. And one of the best places to make money with pattern bundles is actually Etsa. So when you come here on Etsa and when you search, for example, for patterns, here you can see most searched terms on Etsa when it comes to patterns. Here you can see patterns and blueprints, patterns PNG, crochet, dress, curtains, paper for fabric, and so on and so on. And you need to start making patterns in these categories as well. So when I click here on patterns PNG, I will actually see most popular patterns on Etsa when it comes to PNG. And here you can see some of these people are making huge money with these patterns. And let me just check one of these stores. For example, let's just say this one here. So I will click here to open this store. Here you can see this store made more than 112,000 sales. That is insane money. Here you can see this pattern actually costs $58, and here you can see this is actually a pattern bundle. That is what I told you to do. You need to make pattern bundles. And like I said, $58. And here you can see this item has 119 reviews, and not everybody who buy your product will actually leave a review. So let me just pull my calculator. So 119 times $58, as you can see here, this bundle costs $58. So this person here made at least $6,900 with this pattern bundle. And like I said, not everybody who buy your bundle will actually leave a review. So I'm guessing that this person made more than $7,000 by selling these simple patterns. And these people here, they are all making sales. They are all making good money with these patterns. And like I said, all you have to do is just start making these patterns in Canva or Photoshop. That is even better option, and just start uploading those patterns on Etsa. Register for a free account and start selling those patterns on Etsa. Like I said, you can make a good money with selling patterns on Etsa. So this is how to make money with Etsa. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.